Say good morning. Say good morning. My name is Jazy-Jay, and I'm going to be playing with slime today. Oh yeah, go ahead. What is that, Jazy? Yeah? Is it purple? Come on. Did you hear that? What is it? Wow. Is it nasty? Is it nasty? Like that. So this is gonna be one of JJ's first videos ever with slime. He's been liking the slime that his big sister Jazy plays with, so we decided to let him play with a little bit of it and let's see how he does with it. As long as he doesn't, yeah, as long as he doesn't eat it, we're okay with it, right? Ewy, what is that? Ewy. Put it in the cup. You want to put it in the cup? Put it in the cup. Come on. Yay! JJ did it. Yeah. Uh-oh. Come on. Put it in there. Is it stuck on your finger? Yeah. He's just getting over a cold, so his nose is still a little stuffy. And he hates when Mama cleans it. But that's okay, because he's still a cutie pie. What is it? What is that? Yeah, that is cool, huh? Wow. Yeah, it's on your finger? Say, ew, get off my finger. Liking the way it feels. Yeah. Let me help you. Is it stuck on your finger? Ew, what is that? Yep, that's the top. Are we done? Are we done playing with it? That's a good boy putting it away. Let me help you. Yeah. What is it? Oh man, that's a good slime. Uh-oh. Got some on your finger? That's okay. Dada? Oh, Dada don't like slime, right? No, he doesn't. Uh-oh. There you go. So JJ is 1 year old, and I think he's the youngest one to ever play with slime in this house. We barely like Jazy playing with it, because she just gets it everywhere. JJ, are we leaving? Say bye. Come on. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. JJ, look. Say bye-bye. Bye. Come on. One more time. Get back up. You want to say bye-bye? Come on. Say bye. Bye. Everyone, can you say that? Alright, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this short video. This is like a practice really run with JJ and slime. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.